Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Zendesk login URL. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Zendesk login page. Locate the email field on the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Zendesk account. Next, find the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait for the page to load. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Zendesk dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password via your email. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You might also want to check if your email and password are entered correctly. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the different features available on the sidebar. If you have any trouble logging in, consult Zendesk's Help Center for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.